Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MotoGP 26 game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then again relaunch Steam and then launch MotoGP 26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MotoGP 26 game. This is just an example I'm showing with another game. So you have to right click on MotoGP 26 game and then select properties, and in the launch options type -DX11 first. Close the tab and then launch the MotoGP 26 game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the MotoGP game properties and this time type -DX12. Close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the MotoGP 26 properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Do not overclock VGA. As per Steam Community 1 user, with Unreal Engine, that is when VGA is overclocked, for me every time game crashing with fatal error when VGA is overclocked, but when stock then game not crashing. That for me only with Unreal Engine games. So do not overclock VGA and then check. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MotoGP 26 game folder. Now first double click the MotoGP 26 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on MotoGP 26 exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the MotoGP 26 exe file and check. If that doesn't work, then in the compatibility tab check mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website, and if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. And you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go and launch the game and check. Fix 6. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MotoGP 26 game folder and then look for the MotoGP 26 exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings, allow another app and then click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, MotoGP 26 game folder. Select MotoGP 26 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked for MotoGP 26 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MotoGP 26 game. This is just an example. And then click on properties. And then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, MotoGP 26 game folder, and then look for MotoGP 26 exe file and select it, and then click on add to the list. After adding it, expand it, click on the drop down next to GPU preference and then select high performance. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MotoGP 26 game. Again, this is just an example. So you have to right click on MotoGP 26 game and then select properties. And here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, channel, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to delete MotoGP 26 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all these saved game progress and saved settings. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete MotoGP 26 saved game folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, and then open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open the local folder, and inside the local folder you will find MotoGP 26 game folder. Since I don't have the game, so it is not showing over here, but in your case, inside the local folder you will find MotoGP 26 saved game folder. What you have to do, you have to just right click on it and then copy first and then go to desktop and paste it. And then you have to right click on MotoGP saved game folder and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall MotoGP 26 game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the MotoGP 26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve MotoGP 26 game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.